Hello, today we'll present you storage option. It's a place where you can store your files and other materials needed during meeting. We support more than 200 file formats. Storage can be customized according to the customer's needs. This option is available on the left side of user panel menu and also at the room. To activate this option, please choose plus and click storage. To upload file, go to the right upper corner and choose Upload File. Or you can just drag and drop the file in the storage. Uploaded file you can share with your sub-accounts, share as download, and add to shared files. You can also copy the link to the shared file by clicking three dots and choosing Details. Now you can send it by email or by text message. If you want to download the file, simply choose Download. If you want to open the file in Room, please choose Present. To change slides, please click Next or Previous if you want to go back to the previous slide. You can also draw on your presentation. Just choose Pen on the left down corner. And now you can make additional notes or marks on your presentation, as you can see here. It is advised to upload the files you want to share with your participants to storage before the meeting, because their quality will be much better than while screen sharing. We would like also assure you that all files on our storage are safely secured with double encryption. That's all for today. Thank you for attention and please view our other tutorials.